Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add money in Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add money in your Cash App, all you need to do is simply tap open your Cash App app. Once you have opened it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now there you can find an option called Add Cash. Simply tap on that particular option, which will now redirect you to this kind of interface. So now you can simply add any of the given amounts to your account. However, you can also customize and type in the amount you wish to. So once you have typed in the cash, you need to now simply tap on Add option. Once you have tapped on add, you need to now verify yourself by going through a security process. And after this is done as well, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are here, you need to now simply add a bank you are using your debit card or credit card from which you will be getting the cash added in your Cash App. After you have linked it, you will be able to add cash in your Cash App. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.